Hey everyone, Windows Update, updating drivers in Device Manager, keeping apps current, and installing the latest BIOS are quick and easy ways to update your computer, and it will be discussed in this video. Let's get started to keep your computer up to date. The easiest way to update Windows is Windows Update. To do this, click Settings and icon that looks like a gear. Now, click Update and Security, and then click Windows Update at left pane. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Windows Update downloads and installs updates automatically to keep your PC current. Updating drivers is important too. To update drivers, open Device Manager by typing Device Manager at the search bar located at the lower left. Click on Device Manager result. Expand each device and then right-click and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue updating drivers. Now, don't forget to update programs and apps for new and updated versions. Use the Microsoft Store to update Microsoft apps. You can click in Get Updates tab to search for app updates. Lastly, major upgrades may require a BIOS update to improve compatibility and fixes bugs. Go to your manufacturer's website, download the latest BIOS and follow instructions to install. So keep Windows, drivers, apps, and BIOS up to date. This ensures you get the latest features, security, and stability. Let me know if you have any other questions.